Today we're making homemade Southern Peach Cobbler. Get out a ceramic or glass casserole and melt 1 stick of butter in the microwave. In a large mixing bowl, put 1 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of sugar. Then add 2/3 of a cup of milk, mix until you have a nice consistent batter. It should be relatively thin and look something like pancake batter. Now pour the batter into the casserole dish, but do not stir it up. And finally, add a 15-ounce can of peaches and do not stir it up. You can use fresh or frozen peaches. I'll add in the description exactly how to prepare that. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 or 45 minutes until it is nice and golden brown. Oh yeah, here we go. I don't even have to taste test this. I've eaten this so many times. It is so easy and it's so good. You guys got to try this one. I mean, you saw, I literally cooked that thing in 5 minutes. So, throw this together. Absolutely fabulous. Stock standard Southern recipe for peach cobbler. Now, if you liked this and you found some value in this, please push the like button for me. And if you want to see more Southern dishes, we got many more coming. And I'm going to post them up, so you may as well subscribe. That way you can get the latest ones that I have. Now, these are all from my mother, grandmother, etc., etc. I think this one was actually from my high school. But it's so super easy. You throw it together and nothing flat, and it's got to be better for you than, you know, the stuff you get at the grocery store. So if you like this and you like Southern recipes, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video and you like these recipes, please push the like button. And if you didn't like this recipe and you didn't like this video, push the like button anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really enjoyed it. Until next time, this is Dr. J. Over and out.